Okay, dude. You ready? Let's open it. Come right here. In the middle.
So
Here.
we got the boxes.
Okay, hand me the other one.
We need all these swimmers. This we got the bucket.
Okay. Are we ready?
Ready.
I'm ready.
Ready.
Scissors. We need scissors. Got scissors.
Get it. Go. Steady.
I'm steady. Got it?
Oh.
Other side?
Oh.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay. I'm super excited.
Oh no, Mom. We have to build a piece.
Oh, man. That's a lot.
Oh, no. Hey,
Here,
Mom.
let's do this so we can see it.
Do these cookies.
All right, dude.
Oh, no. Mom, I have a cookie.
All right, let's start at the beginning. What piece do I need first?
We need to...
There's two different sections. Let's start with this one. Here we go. Start with this one right here.
Oh, we need to put the piece of glitter.
We'll put the stickers on there. All right, let's start with the first.
And need to put it.
Okay. So we need to find the people. Let's find the people.
Yeah, we need to put the piece. And
Let's see some people.
sorry. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You got the piece.
All right.
No.
There's a person. There's some leggies. Here's the top to somebody. Here's some hair. We'll need that little bowl for these little pieces. Okay. All the little pieces.
Hey,
need to go in
Mom.
there. Yeah, bud.
We need that's the white one. We have to find the black like this.
Okay.
Ah,
We need the black. We need
we
the black
found it.
bottoms. Oh wait, there's some more hair.
Oh,
All right, hold on. Let me open this bag.
it smells good.
Does it? What's it smell like?
Okay. See.
Here's a white helmet. Here's another head and some hair. Here you go. All right, we're
Do
good.
the pieces, Mom, now. Get to work.
Sure. That's not very nice. I don't think I want to do Legos if you're going to teach
Get
me
to
that
work,
way.
Mommy. Okay.
Okay, I will.
Get to work.
But we don't scream like that.
Yeah.
That wasn't very nice.
Okay, you're angry. Okay,
I didn't like that at all.
Okay. Please, gonna get your ticket and not get your job.
All right.
Good.
I think I just
no.
opened 2 bags I shouldn't have, but we're going to work it out.
Oh. Hey, look. Oh.
All right, dude.
Oh.
I still don't have any legs. Did you find any legs yet?
Oh, you have.
Oh, there they are. Awesome.
Mm.
Okay. Well, it says that there is a little
Huh?
What is that goes in there? How does that hold it up? Like, see, look, we've got one of those. Where's that?
Okay.
This thing. Here we go. I got it. Okay, that goes on here, right? Yeah. Okay, and then it says we have a little, is there a little pizza? Did you see a little pizza? I guess we're opening this bag too.
Okay, we have to go on. We can do it later. Okay?
Oh, I found a little pizza.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, I found a little pizza.
Emmy.
Hold on, go back to the page I need, dude.
No. That's going to see. Oh, dude.
You trying to see how it all goes together?
Yeah.
Okay.
And.
Got it? All right, and that's just the first part. There's another book. Now look, you work on these people. Did you get them all together yet? Nope. We don't have all their stuff on them yet.
Take your hair off.
And then here's a little visor thingy for her helmet.
You need a helmet and glass?
Yep. Okay.
Ooh, this
See?
is good.
It goes on both.
Okay.
Alright, I'm working on this pizza thing here.
Hurry up.
Pizza goes on the top.
And
And it goes in what, like one of these little thingies? I don't know. I feel like, no, it goes on the first one. Okay, pizza's on there. And then this goes on top of here. Got it. Now there's a little white like stick or something that we're missing. I don't see it. Did I overlook it?
It's over
Oh, I
here.
see it. Here it is. This, not a sticker, a stick.
A stick?
Yeah. Okay, so this goes on. Wait, is that right? Yeah. Okay, you got the umbrella over there? How come this isn't going? Oh, there we go. Okay.
Then we'll go to Italy.
And then this goes in the middle, and then you stick that on top, the umbrella?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, you do that.
Okay.
Now we're on to this red bike.
Oh, we need a wheel and light.
Okay, we got that. That's good. We got our people. We got our little pizza umbrella place to sit. She can hold her helmet for when she's ready. Or maybe we can put it on the bike if we need to, but we'll put it over here. Okay, what else? We need the handlebars. So let's... Hey, can you help me by not baby talking, please?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Handlebar. Oh, I found him. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir. And then here's this little light that goes on the front. And then there's some little pizza boxy thingy.
There we go. Oh, I did it.
Yeah, no.
Oh! Wait, we need some different.
We need what?
We need the sticker.
Yeah. Oh, is that what goes on it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see that. But it says there's a flat top one. See? One that doesn't have a dealie on it, but both of these do. So where's the one that doesn't have stuff on it? Do you know? Because that would be great. Do you need wheels for that yet? Maybe not.
Okay.
Two. Oh, I found it.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
And
Okay, here we go.
Mama.
The pizza box sticker goes on it. It says sticker number... Hold on. Jared, hold on. It says sticker number 4. Uh-oh, we're running out of battery.